If y'all want to see how I did this hairstyle, well, the space buns on both girls, which hers fell apart a little bit. But if you want to see how I achieved these space buns, make sure that you keep watching. Make sure that you guys keep watching. And we're also doing a giveaway for this video. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. We're going to be doing a huge giveaway. Not a huge giveaway. It's a $25 cash app. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure your notifications are on because I am checking. And make sure that you guys comment hashtag giveaway in the comment section down below. I look forward to seeing y'all on the thing. So I'm going to do it in the next video, the cash app. So comment down below and I'm going to go through from all the other videos and do a name generator type thing and pick everybody who entered for the giveaway. And yeah, so I hope that you win. So, oh, and you also have 24 hours to claim that giveaway after I announce your name. 24 hours to claim that giveaway. If you do not claim your cash app, $25 cash app, I will generate again and somebody else will get your money. So make sure that you guys subscribe, have your notifications on, and make sure you guys share this video. That way a lot of people have an opportunity to win. So yeah, check out the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Hair Aesthetics. Welcome back to another video. Today this video becomes highly requested. Now before y'all get on me, yes, I've been away for a long time, but it has been a lot that, for one, I've been going through. Two, my youngest daughter had a baby. I had a breakup. So much stuff happened. If you want story time and that, let me know. But yeah, I'm back though, even though I still have a lot of stuff to do. But I'm back, and the reason why I took the break from it, because it really, like, it's like I'm putting out content like I was putting out content every single day. I mean, yeah, I was getting subscribers, but I still felt like I wasn't getting the recognition that I wanted. So, but that's neither here nor there. But this video came highly requested. Somebody requested this video because they have an event coming up. I forgot your name, but I'm gonna put it right here. So if y'all can see it, it's gonna be right here. That you requested this video, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to do the same hairstyle on 2 mannequins so that way you can see on 2 different lengths of hair how it's going to come out for you. So hopefully this is informative, and thank you guys for watching. If you are not already subscribed, what are you doing? This is like the coolest YouTube channel on YouTube. Subscribe, turn on all of your notifications, that way you guys don't miss out when I post a new video. And yeah, so we are trying to knock this out for 2024. I'm here to stay. We have a bunch of challenges right now. Also, I'm ready to do the giveaway. So in this video, I want to say the first 5 people to put hashtag giveaway in this video, okay? And you watch it to the end, and you are subscribed to the channel, and you got your notifications on, you will be entered. The first 5 people. That's how we're gonna do this today, okay? So I know this giveaway has been long awaited, so yeah. So this is gonna, in the title, it's gonna be hashtag giveaway with this tutorial, basically. So enough said. We wasted 2 minutes, 3 minutes already, so let's go ahead and get into it. So y'all already know this is Victoria. She don't need no introduction. She's late all the time. So what I'm going to do is just part her hair because we are doing space buns. Now some people, like, it's really hard to do. So I'm gonna do it the best way I know how. So Okay, so now that we have it parted, I did put out a little piece of hair in the front. You know, I don't know. Some people like it with the hair. Some people like it without it. I think it's better with the hair in the front. So that's how I'm going to do it. And now I'm just going to take my unbrush and brush the hair to the top. Alright, y'all. So what y'all want to do is brush this up into a ponytail that looks something like this. Just a high ponytail, like to the front, like this. You want to take a rubber band or a scrunchie of your choice. You do not have to use rubber bands. I never suggest rubber bands on fine hair. Definitely use, you know, some soft scrunchies or something that won't pull your hair out, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so once y'all get it into the ponytails, okay, you want to brush them out really, really well. So after you brush it, you want to just take it like this. Let me show you. You want to just twist it the whole way down. And you want to twist it pretty tight. So as you wrap in the hair like this, just take it all the way around like this. Keep twisting that hair. Okay. And that's one. You can put a rubber band over that or a bobby pin, whatever you choose to put right there. Feel free to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and twist this other one. So you want to twist all the way down. And then you'll end up with something like this. Now don't come for me. I know they're not even. Like this one seems a little bit more down. This one seems a little too high. But that's the gist of it for real. Like you just want to part it, make sure it's parted. I didn't part it evenly as y'all can see. But yeah, that's pretty much what space buns are. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on Hannah, and I'll be back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did one side of Hannah, and it is super cute. Don't mind these little bangs. They'll be out the way after I fix them. But we're going to go ahead and spin her second ponytail because we did not do that. I just wanted to show you how it would look like on her length of hair and her texture of hair. So just know that anybody with any type of hairstyle can do this. It doesn't matter if your hair is curly. I feel like as long as you have length to it, like even if you have a bob, you can do this style. Or yeah, like it's fairly simple. Like, long as I feel like as long as your hair is about shoulder length, you can pretty much do this style for real. So we're twisting basically all the way around, and her hair won't hold like Victoria's will, so we have to put a rubber band on it. And then, where's my bottle at? Oh, because her bangs don't want to cooperate for me, I'm just gonna spritz some and take my comb and kind of give her that separation so to dry that separate way. So we're just gonna give it that little separation. And so this is how her space buns look, which is super duper 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 cute. Now my hair forehead is wet because I sprayed the water. But this hair needs a separation like this one got, okay? So yeah, if you have her hair type, it don't matter, like, you know, it's just a part for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, let me know which one you like. Like I said, hers came out a little lopsided or whatever, but it's so cute nonetheless, as you guys can see. I would definitely do these a little bit tighter since they're unraveling already, and I would definitely put more structure. Like, the longer your hair is, definitely use more structure on holding up that ponytail, because as you guys can see, it's wonking down. Like, it's like, especially like if you're going to an event or like you went to Coachella or something, it's gonna, the heat is gonna slide it down if you don't have that ponytail built up structure. So I mean, you know your hair, you've had your hair your whole life, so I would definitely, you know, do the structure that works for you, how your ponytails hold up for you. And yeah, so we're about to do the giveaway. I'm actually gonna come back, like, so if you see me wearing the same thing, you'll know. But so go ahead and hurry up and comment, or I might just do it tomorrow, depending on who commented. And I'm gonna get the app. Well, I'm pretty much probably gonna go back through all my videos because that's what's fair. So hopefully you guys watch to the end to understand what I'm finna do. But I'm finna go back to all the videos when I was starting the giveaway. And yeah, we're gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna put everybody in a name generator type thing, and we're gonna see who won. And hopefully they're still a subscriber and still watching my channel, so they can win. If they don't claim their Cash App within 24 hours, I will do it again. So that's how that's gonna work, okay? So if you win, make sure that you claim that Cash App within 24 hours, because if you don't, I'm gonna do another generate and somebody else is gonna win that. So until next time, you guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.